We have been following the case against former state representative Austin McCollum. McCollum resigned from his House 8 district seat, which covers parts of Benton County. This after his arrest on August 1st. He is charged with aggravated assault, domestic battery, and false imprisonment. McCollum, though, is the only candidate running for Benton County judge this November. And under Arkansas law, his options to withdraw from that race are very limited. 5 News reporter Taylor Howard joining us now to talk about how or what happens from here and what Benton County voters need to know about this tonight. Taylor.
Yeah, Darren, and there are a lot of what ifs here. The Benton County Election Commission and a justice of the peace gave us some clarity on the process. So we put it together in a timeline from now to November and then to January when the next term for Benton County judge starts. Right now, under Arkansas law, there are 4 circumstances that would allow for a vacancy in Austin McCollum's nomination: serious illness, death, moving outside the area he's running to represent, or filing to run for another office. If none of those happen, the election moves forward. Kim Dennison with the Benton County Election Commission says the county clerk has already certified its list of candidates. McCollum is unopposed, so if he remains a candidate through Election Day, he's on track to take over Benton County judge's position. Then we move to January. Benton County Justice of the Peace Joel Jones says McCollum would have another decision to make before taking office.
He can not take his oath of office, or he can take his oath and resign.
Jones says he wants McCollum to make his intentions clear now.
The citizens of Benton County should know the intentions for that. He hasn't come out publicly and said anything, so we should know. He ran for, what he said was the good of Benton County and its citizens. Continue to do that.
He says that also matters for the people who could be responsible for finding a replacement. If McCollum doesn't take the oath or takes it and resigns, Jones says the quorum court would declare the seat vacant and begin the appointment process.
We'd want time to evaluate potential candidates, interview them, bring them, in public. Talk to them, ask some questions.
But if McCollum is elected and chooses to take office, Jones says the quorum court has very limited power to stop him.
There's nothing legal there that I know of. He can take the oath, he can serve until the legal system takes its course.
Jones says a no confidence vote has no legal weight, and until McCollum makes his plans clear, he says they're left waiting.
Just let us know. We deserve to know what your intentions are for the office of county judge.
And Darren, Jones tells me McCollum would have 10 days after January 1st to take the oath. If he doesn't, Jones says the quorum court could then declare the seat vacant and start the process of appointing someone to fill it. Darren.
Wow. All right. So, Taylor, hypothetically, if the quorum court does declare a vacancy in January, what about any names that have been floated around that could be appointed to it?
Well, Darren, he told me there have been some names floated around, but he hasn't personally started talking with any potential candidates yet. He said they want time to vet potential appointees and make sure they have some knowledge of county government before making that decision. That's why Jones says they want to know what McCollum's plans are. Darren.
Yeah, right now they do. All right, Taylor, thanks for that report tonight.